Please do like, share and subscribe to Nehal's Kitchen. Hello friends, hope all are doing well. Today's recipe is Aloo Paratha from Punjab. It is a very easy and tasty recipe. Aloo Paratha is a famous breakfast recipe in North India. It is mostly eaten with raita as it suits with a spicy potato stuffing. So, let's start making these soft and spicy parathas. In a bowl, add 2 cups of wheat flour. Add required salt and mix it well. Gradually add water and make it into a soft dough. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and knead it well. Now, allow it to rest for 30 minutes. In a bowl, add 4 boiled potatoes which are not too soft. Now, smash them. Add 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of chaat masala or amchur powder, 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 chopped green chilli and 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain. Now mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves and mix it well. Now make balls out of the potato stuffing. After 30 minutes, make balls out of the dough as well. They must be equal to potato balls. After preparing the balls, each of them will have 8 balls. For stuffing the potato balls, flatten the dough ball and roll it into a round. Now, place the potato ball in the center and bring the sides up like this. Now rotate the top and take off the extra dough. For making the paratha, sprinkle some flour on the surface and take the ball and roll it into a paratha. Now heat the tawa and add butter to it. Now put the paratha on the tawa and fry it with butter on both sides until they get light brown in color. Now, fry the atta parathas in the same way. That's it. Our soft and spicy aloo parathas are ready. Add some butter on the top and that's delicious. You can eat it with raita or chutney. Do try this recipe at your home.